Hello and welcome to RDX Goa News Bulletin with me, Vidhi. Let's take a look on today's headlines. Probe panel has been formed in Canacona tragedy under the guidance of retired IAS V.K. Jha, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. There was a scam of rupees 20 crores in purchase of tablets given to school children, consultant Sameer Kedekar. There is big scam and corruption in the appointment of the advocate by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Sudeep Tamhankar. And now the news in detail. Probe panel has been formed in Canacona tragedy under the guidance of retired IAS V.K. Jha, informed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. CM says action against the responsible people will be initiated from tomorrow. Occupancy is given without structural stability certificate, he added. 12 workers are untraceable, 22 workers are saved and 17 dead bodies have been removed from this debris. RDX Bureau Report.
ऑफिशियल स्टॅटिस्टिक दिता कारण काही भागात अजूनही स्पेक्युलेशन चालू आहे. स्पेक्युलेशन कधी एंड जावपाची गरज आसा. एज पर द ऑफिशियल स्टॅटिस्टिक 22 लोकांक त्या भागांच्यान जिवंत काडलेल्या एकूण. Some of them were under the debris. Some of them escaped the debris with minor injuries. 22 people were rescued, of which one was saved entirely due to the efforts of fire brigade led by Mr. Menon. He himself was present on the site. And I congratulate all the firemen, including its director, for stupendous efforts in getting at least one person who was trapped deep inside, get him out safely after about 6 to 7 hours of the collapse. 17 bodies have been taken out so far. The structure is of poor quality. I think there is no doubt about it. The foundation was not properly laid down. These are all matters to be tackled by engineers and RCC contractors. Neither a politician nor an official can do this. They have also decided to form a committee under the Municipal Act, headed by Mr. Jha, a retired IAS officer. V.K. Jha. With 2 members of, because I do not consider a judicial probe as of now. 2 members? 2 more members will be there. One will be known civil engineer and another architect. Okay. We are trying to locate 2 people who have knowledge of this field, building construction very well. There are many of them in Goa. They are national disaster. Yeah, they come only for the disaster. They may leave once we take all these decisions. There is a team available for assistance,
rescue purpose,
but that is for mitigating the disaster. The probe will basically pinpoint the problem caused and pinpoint the responsibility. Now this is a probe and also will suggest what should be the line of action, because this is actually municipal council which has to take precaution of all this construction.
IT consultant Sameer Kedekar in a person conference alleged that there was a scam of 20 crores in purchase of the tablets given to school children. However, ITGL chairman refutes charges of scam in tendering e-tablets. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
Any doubts, so that people from Goa, they are well aware about the situation and transparency in this Infotech corporations as regards to e-tab supply. Allegation number 1, which Mr. Sameer Kedekar had done along with Mr. Prashant and one Mr. Chopra, that there were two categories, open category 65% and Goan category 35%. He says that the 65% category should have been open to all over India. Okay, and what we have done is, the supplier or a vendor from wherever it is, he should have a office in Goa at least 3 years prior to this tender. Okay, and it was with the intention that all those firms who are contesting for this tender, second allegation that, and this allegation of this 65 and 35 was again challenged in High Court, and the High Court has given that decision that this is the right criteria for Goa, and this was, the High Court has rejected that plea. It was much in 2008, 2009. It was in 2008, 2009 and 2010. The High Court of Goa has rejected this plea, saying that it should have been made open. Second allegation was that tender which was first floated e-notebooks and changed to supply e-tablets, and it is against the CBC guideline. CBC guideline, what it says, that minimum period of 3 weeks should be given for any tender which is floated to fill up and to contest for that. We had given 3 weeks time for NAT books, and again government, it was a government policy, government came out saying that we need to evaluate the specification of NAT books as well as tablet, and NAT books and tablet is not much difference. This is change in specification, and again another 1 week extension was given when e-tabs was introduced in lieu of, it was not in lieu of, but e-tabs, and government had asked from both these quotations. But is shown there, it is a laptop, because just to show that he was a beneficiary, or he was time to time he was participating in this bid. Somehow he has missed in this, and it is because of that Mr. Samir Kelekar, who is highly intellectual, we have very high regard, he is being used by all these elements to score there.
All Goa Bus Owners Association General Secretary Sudeep Tamankar alleged that there is a big scam and corruption in the appointment of the advocate by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
2014 ह्या दिसा आमी विजिलन्स कंप्लेंट एक फायल केल्ली आसा, आनी कंप्लेंट त्या टायमा वयले पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर शोभा दुमस्कर, आतांचो एडवोकेट जनरल आत्माराम नाडकर्णी, चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर पर्रीकर, आनी जे एक पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर आनी 2 एसिस्टंट पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर जे पळय नेमल्या, तितून कायद्याचो कशा तरेन भंग केला, कायदो कसो वायोलेट केला, आनी कशा तरेन करप्शनाक हितून वाव आसा, ह्या तरेन ही सगळी डिटेल कंप्लेंट घातलेली आसा. तो श्रीवणकर म्हणून पळय जो पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर नेमला, हेका 2 लाख फी थारयल्या. दत्तप्रसाद लवंदे एसिस्टंट पब्लीक प्रोसिक्युटर हेका 1 लाख फी थारयल्या म्हयन्याक, आनी महेश आमोणकर हेका 1 लाख फी थारयल्या. तरेन काँग्रेस रिजिमान मनोहर पर्रीकर त्या टायमार बोबाळ करतालो की कंटक जो आसलो त्या टायमा वयलो एडवोकेट जनरल, हेका सरकार फी दिता, तितून मोठ्या प्रमाणान करप्शन आसा, अशे विशय ज्या टायमार, अशे आरोप जे त्या टायमार करतालो. आयज खंय तरी दिवसांनी येवपाक लागलेले आसा की मनोहर पर्रीकर जे पळय नियुक्त करता एडवोकेट्स, सरकारी वकील म्हणून, तांकां तेंच्याय हितून नेमणुकेन खंय तरी प्रचंड प्रमाणात घोटाळे हांगासर जावपाक लागलेले आसा.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
जी फुलां काल देवाच्या पांयाकडे आशिल्ली, त्या फुलांनी आज तूं त्याच देवाची भुंय भाट्टा. उदकान उडयल्ले प्लास्टीक आमच्यो दर्या देगो पळय कितले बुरश्यो करता.
Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Control Act 1996, littering of public places with garbage shall be punished with imprisonment for a term of which may extend to a month, or with fine which may extend to ₹5,000, or with both. Persons in possession of unlabeled and or plastic carry bags less than 40 microns shall be prosecuted under Environment Protection Act 1986.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
Presenting Goa's biggest family restaurant and bar. A well-defined ambiance that suits every age. Serving authentic Goan and mug cuisine. A perfect place to celebrate every remarkable moment. Your all-time hunger satisfied here. Casa Bosle, above Cafe Bosle, near National Theatre, Panaji, Goa.
Lucky Enterprises Wholesale and Retail Shop. Designer sarees, designer salwar kameez, salwar suits, kurti, leggings, nighty and cotton collection. Shop number 1 and 2, Sweet Home Symphony, near New Railway Bridge, Margao, Goa. Contact 9158057860 9673497222. Lucky Enterprises. Hey, why are you so gloomy?
Array, getting mad to locate what to give to my parents. I had to give my insurance premium this month, so the budget is also limited.
No problem, dear. You're probably not following the newspapers.
Why? What happened? What's special in the newspaper?
It's emotions, emotions and only emotion. An exclusive new brand store with all imported gift items, glassware, novelties, home decor, etc. They are even running Christmas and New Year bonanza up to 5th of January 2014.
First time in Goa, you get 10% discount on any purchase. Get an assured suit length or kitchenware on any purchase over ₹2,000 only. You get a complimentary dining voucher for 2 packs worth ₹1,000. Last but not the least, you get a chance to win a lottery for 2 to Bangkok.
Don't you feel it's one-stop location for all your needs?
Can you take me there now only?
Let's go.
Correctly said, it's the first time in Goa.
Just unbelievable and awesome.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आनी हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आनी धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. BJP Youth Morcha President Datta Prasad Naik grilled PWD engineer for not paying attention towards the damaged pipeline in Durgawadi, Talegaon. Residents of Talegaon had demanded 15 MLD water supply for Talegaon area. The PWD has failed to fulfill this demand, he added. Sanjay Monoli reports from Talegaon.
15 ऑक्टोबराक आमी एक मीटिंग घेतली ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे, where the PWD minister Mr. Sudhin Dhavdekar along with chief principal engineer and all other JEs and AEs of this area were called. There honorable minister directed the PWD to increase the MLD of Talegaon constituency by 3. That is आता सध्या पळय जो 12 आसा ते 15 MLD करचे म्हणून. बट इन स्पायट ऑफ दॅट ऑल्सो ड्यू टू द लिकेजीस म्हणजे जी पायपां पळय सेवेरेजी खातीर जी फुटिल्लीं आसा दुर्गावाडी भागान हांव तुमकां स्पेसिफाय करून सांगता. म्हाका आतां थंयच्या रेजिडेंट्सांनी सांगलां की 7 कडेन थंय लिकेजीस आसा म्हणून. आनी ती जस्ट हाडून माती ताजेर कवर करता. टेम्पररी थंय तुका आतां पॅचअप चालू आसा. बट हें अशें जावचें ना कित्याक लोकांक हांगा खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा जे आमी भोंवता आमकां दिसता. सो जस्ट हांगा ऑन द एश्युरन्स ऑफ जेई की हें केलें इज नॉट द आन्सर. जेन्ना उदक नळाक येतलें तेन्ना आमी केलें म्हणून मान्य करतले. आय एम कॉन्स्टंटली इन टच विथ ऑल द कन्सर्न्ड ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ द PWD. वी आर कमिटेड टू सी दॅट पीपल ऑफ तालिगांव विल नॉट सफर.
2 पायपलायन आशिल्ले, एक मोटे लायन आसा आनी एक धाकटे लायन आसा. ते धाकटे लायन कितें सांगता सिवेजाक लागून आमी क्लियर करचे पडले न्हू, तांकां ते खंयचे तरी एक वाट दिवचे पडले. पण ताका AC लायन आसा पळय ती सगळें कनेक्शन कट करून ताजेर नवे लायनीचेर ट्रान्सफर केलें. मग ताका लागून ताका लोड आसा पळय ती 200चेर खूब पडली. ऑलमोस्ट आसता 40-50 कनेक्शन आनी एडिशनल वाडला. ताका लागून ते लोड जाला. आतां म्हाका ते थोडे कडेन आमी इंटर कनेक्शन मारून ते लोड कमी कर. एक पडी आतां 2-3 दिसा भितर हे लोड क्लियर जाता.
लोक म्हणटा बिल चड येता पण उदक थोडें येता. हे काय कसलें कारण कशें आनी हेजेर
ते आतां कंजम्पशनाचेर जाता तशें काय कळचें ना. बिलींग कंजम्पशन कशें करता
उदकाक लागून
खूप त्रास जाता. पण आता हे होणके मारला, हे 2 बेश्टेच मारल्या आणि आता हे आता मारला. पण तरी पूण तेच हाल सामके एकदम एक तोप काडलो दुसरो तोप घेवचो पडटा. तितके त्रास सामके सोसून वचो. 1 म्हयनो जाल्यार तेच त्रास. सो तेच आमकां मातशें सारकें करून एकूच दिवचें. पण आमकां उदक सामकें कमी येता पण बिल तेच येता. ते मातशें पळोवन घेवपाचें. जातलें 1 म्हयनो. 1 म्हयनो मायज जातलो.
कोणान हेजेर कांय करूंक
ना करता थोडे जाण पण ते जायना अजून सारकें. जावं ते पोनाकसून कितें मिस्टेक बी जाले आसतली.
उदकाचे त्रास कितले दीस जाले तुमकां?
1 म्हयनो मायज जातलो तसो.
No, I think the sewage department has dug up the roads actually to lay down the pipes. I think that at the time they must have damaged some pipes. And even at the circle, Taligaon circle near the church, all this job is a part of the concerned department, where PWD is concerned, engineers are concerned. Why government is appointing engineers and all? It is their duty. Is it MLA's job to go and check on each and every thing? Oh, this is not working, that is not working, So government should come out and say, Baba, if there is no money, there is no money for development. Don't create this eyewash for the people, and because people come and question us. People feel that we are not taking care of their constituency is concerned. I have always seen that constituency is my priority. Now, if some of their fellows they just come there and try to show a sorry face that your MLA is not doing anything. Okay, if the MLA is not doing anything, if you are trying to represent the constituency, what you have done? That I would like to ask you a question. Your government is.
Offices of Aam Aadmi Party in the cities will be opened in the coming week, informed office bearers of Aam Aadmi Party. They were speaking during the inauguration of Fatorda office. Mandar Nayak reports from Margao.
20 वर्सां 30 वर्सां जाली हांव सोशो पॉलिटिकल कांतारां मुनोट आहा. Either against corruption, against communalism, against a lot of things or about a lot of things, exposure करून. आनी 20-30 वर्सां जाली म्हाका लोक विचारता केन्नाय अरे तूं पॉलिटिक्स जॉइन कित्याक जायना. There is only one reason why I did not ever think of joining politics all these years. I was ashamed to be called a Congress wala. I was ashamed to be called a BJP wala. There was no party in which I could be proud of joining. So I tried to do my bit from outside politics. And why was I ashamed? I'm not trying to insult other parties. This is not against other parties. AAP is not against other parties. AAP is against the corruption in the other parties. So I was ashamed to be a member of those parties because of the corruption in those parties. And even today there is corruption.
We are all against High Command, and this is a party that doesn't believe in High Command.
The Vijay Sankalp rally organized by Pednem and Mandrem constituency was inaugurated at the hands of the Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. All the dignitaries were present on this occasion. Vinod Mehta reports from Pednem.
आमच्या 46 बुथांनी पूर्ण रजिस्ट्रेशन झाला आणि बुकाची वाढती मागणी आसा. आम्ही जी सुरवातीक 1.5 लाख पुस्तकां छापलेली, पावतेची पुस्तकां छापलेली ती सगळी सोंपलेली आसात. नवीन छापाक कालच्यान दिल्ली आसा. जनतेचो उत्साह प्रचंड मोठो आसा आणि त्यामुळे ज्या वेळार वातावरण पूरक आसता त्या वेळार प्रहार करप, त्या वेळार फुडें नेटान वचप हे महत्वाचे आसता. आयच्या ह्या योजनेक, आयच्या ह्या प्रचार मोहिमेक हांव शुभेच्छा दिता.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
Link Point, Advertising, Communication, Designing.
Offers for audio-visual production support.
Advertisement, Films.
Corporate Profile.
Documentary.
Weddings, Conference Recordings.
Audio recordings and dubbing.
Making of features and short films.
Shooting, Equipment Hire.
Call 9850089429.
750-7390960.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय, म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय, आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आणि जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीतकाय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय, म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
Welcome back. The members of Tuwe Omkar Sports Club have alleged the one of the Punch members have done fraud with the name of Omkar Sports Club and took ₹5,000 as donation from the Panchayat. Therefore, the Punch member should be terminated from his service and a strict action should be initiated by police. They even warned that if police fails to take proper action, then FIR will be lodged against the full Panchayat. Omkar Sport Club officials were present. Vinod Mehta reports from Pednem.
विड्रॉल स्वतः गणपत पेडणेकर पंचायत केलं.
सेल्फ चेक
काढलं पंचायतीन.
त्यांनी विड्रॉ कसं केलं गणपतान? सेल्फ कोणी करूंक शकता. गणपतच असं कसं करतलो.
तुझे नाव आसा न्हू
फाटल्यान नाव आसा न्हू बँकेन फाटल्यान दिल्लें आसा न्हू नांव आनी सिग्नेचर
3-4 महिने झाले. आम्ही सरकार दरबारी विषय मांडला, पंचायत आयुक्ताचा मांडला, पोलिसांचाच मांडला. असे फ्रॉड केल्ले आसा आनी अशें आमच्या क्लबाची बदनामी केल्ली आहा. सरळ ते दिले पैसे मिसयूज केले व आम्ही आरोप केलो तिथे. पोलिसही म्हणतात ना आम्ही करतले. आम्ही म्हणतो तुम्ही FIR करा तिथे. साध्या गोष्टीचे तुम्ही FIR करतले हेच कित्याक करतात. सरकारी पैसो तो कोण एक पैसो कायद्यात काढू शकना. तुमच्या हाती सत्ता आसा हेचो अर्थ तुम्ही ते पैसे सरकारी आसन फाल्यां पंचायत हो अकाउंट डायरेक्टर करतलो की 2 महिन्यात 10 लाख काडटलो नंतर परत 2 महिन्यांनी भरूया.
तुमचो डिमांड काय आसा?
कोणाचो? आमचो हेजेर आमच्या जी बदनामी जाली ती आमकां न्याय मेळपाचो आनी हेणी जो फ्रॉड केल्ले तेच्या बद्दल पंचायत डायरेक्टरान इन्क्वायरी करून ताका डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करपाचो. गणपतराव पेडणेकर आम्ही कायदेशीर खटलो घालतले. कोर्टाक आम्ही डायरेक्ट खटलो घालतले आनी आमच्याकडे फक्त आम्ही सध्या गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे मागला न्हू बाबा अशी पद्दत आसा काहीतरी तुम्ही उपाय करा म्हणून.
Bhandari Samaj meeting was conducted at Korgaon. South Goa MP Shripad Naik, Art and Culture Minister Dayanand Mandrekar, Anil Hoble, Mohan Gavandi, Amrut Agarwadekar, Satyajeev Naik and others were present. They even appealed to the people to join the grand meeting of Bhandari Samaj. Vinod Mehta reports from Pernem. Before we wind up, here's the recap of the headlines. Probe panel has been formed in Canacona tragedy under the guidance of retired IAS V.K. Jha, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. There was a scam of ₹20 crores in purchase of tablets given to school children, consultant Sameer Kedekar. There is big scam and corruption in the appointment of the advocate by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Sudeep Tamhankar. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Goodbye.